watching?
We're gonna watch some more ring cam footage.
Ring cam.
We had good luck with being terrified the last ring cam video, so we're gonna see if we can continue.
And this has what, terrifying or?
Eight most terrifying and disturbing.
It has terrifying in the name, so.
Yeah, and the last one didn't, so.
Yeah. It's taking it up a notch, I guess.
Here we go, friends. Maybe. This is disturbing.
The intro is very
Did you
creepy.
scroll down?
On November 30th, 2021, a woman in Dallas posted footage of a man standing outside her apartment door late at night. This incident, which was captured by her Ring doorbell camera, raised significant concerns as the man had been stalking her and standing outside her door almost every night. She stated that she has contacted the police about this problem she's been dealing with since October 31st, but according to her, not much was done from the authorities to keep this man away. Here is what she recorded.
Just standing there. I guess she doesn't live in like a gated.
In the video,
Yeah.
the man just stands there while occasionally talking to himself. At one point, you can see a beer in his hand before he walks away.
I couldn't tell that it was beer, but okay.
The door stumbling, seemingly drunk. He then grabs the door handle
Screw
and
that.
attempts to enter the woman's
I'm calling my landlord like, hey, you need to do something about this.
Okay, that hurts.
Well,
Commercial.
we love commercials here. We seem to have a lot. Okay. Nope.
On December the 2nd, she posted an update stating that she is now safe and that security guards of the apartment are regularly patrolling the halls, making sure she's okay.
Weird.
This next video
Well,
captures the
good for
shocking
her, I
incident
guess.
involving a middle-aged Asian couple targeted in what appears to be a follow-home-style robbery by a masked man wielding a gun. This alarming event took place in southern Seattle, Washington. The footage was initially shared on Reddit by user Warhawk. Here's what their ring camera captured.
Just,
Okay, he comes in.
yeah, looked like maybe she saw him and she ran in.
She come in.
Oh,
God.
Oh, he almost got there.
Oh, gosh. We got a gun.
Sorry, sir. The face got shown.
Yikes.
The woman noticed the intruder just in time and swiftly locked the door, preventing him from entering the home. Shortly afterward, the man noticed the ring camera and began to destroy it. To make matters even more frightening, just before the camera cut off, it revealed that the intruder was not acting alone.
Oh.
Shortly after the video was posted, it quickly garnered attention with numerous Reddit users. They pointed out a disturbing pattern of a string of similar robberies occurring in the area. These concerns were later substantiated by local news outlets in Seattle.
This video shows one of the crimes that were part of a frightening scene last year across South Seattle. Tonight, two men accused of
got it.
these robberies now face hate crime charges. Thursday, King County prosecutors charged Chavez Tubbs and DeMarcus Pate, say the two targeted Asian households and in some cases forced their way in while identifying themselves as Seattle police.
This next incident occurred on May 8th, 2022.
We saw the video from the last video about that.
Oh, yeah, pretending to
about
be
this
police.
Confronts his roommate, Destiny with a weapon.
His roommate? Did he sleep with his girl?
incident, Joshua DeLoach stole $6,000 in jewelry from his roommate and then proceeded to tie him up and forced him in the trunk of his own car.
Does that make sense?
A wild story.
Why?
Coming up this morning. 29-year-old Joshua DeLoach seen here in this.
It's your roommate.
He
So
knows
I'm
who
guessing
you are.
And I'm guessing you knew you had a camera.
You'd think.
Get out. He allegedly stole $6,000 and jewelry from his roommate, then tied up his roommate and put him in the trunk of his own car.
Luckily, Justin managed to escape with the help of a bystander. Joshua DeLoach was arrested about 2 weeks later, on May 20th of that year.
Why?
One night in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, a woman named Savannah captured something absolutely terrifying on her ring camera. At around 10:20 p.m., a man
Zombie?
appeared at her front door. He began violently slamming his body against the woman's door, trying to force his way inside. After
Backsaw?
several attempts, the man stumbled back and fell over the porch railing. Terrified, the woman calls the police. Here's what happened.
I told you y'all zombies was real. If that's not a zombie, I don't know what is.
I'm going with bath salts.
Get him an exorcism.
The Myrtle Beach Police Department reported that the officers took the man to the hospital for treatment and was later arrested. It's quite obvious the man was under the influence of drugs or was possibly having some sort of manic episode. Either way, this would have been terrifying to experience.
Maybe both.
This next video shows a bizarre moment that occurred in January 2019 in the city of Salinas, California.
I hate when they
Eye
zoom
contact.
in. Don't you hate that? Because I'm like, I'm not trying to.
Don't make eye contact. No, you can't see
that
me,
face.
but
That face.
The homeowners who were not at home at the time were alerted to the unusual activity through the Ring System's motion detection feature. Here's what it recorded.
why? Like, why?
Was it a dare? What type of OnlyFans video is this?
I'm disturbed.
This is the terrifying part. I can't. My eyes are closed. It's still going.
Oh, yeah.
It's going.
It's
oh
super
my God.
graphic.
The police department used the video evidence to identify Arroyo, who has been cited by the department in the past. Arroyo faced misdemeanor charges related to prowling and theft. But the primary concern for many was the clear need for mental health intervention given the nature of his actions. This is truly disturbing.
Yeah, he's an info. Yeah.
He's
This
got
next
some
video
problems.
shows a man peering in the window of a 22-year-old model from Florida. She installed a Ring camera on her front door and showed
That's when that-
around her house.
I need a shower.
Oh, yeah.
She arrived
Yep.
home, indicating he was likely following her.
But why, sir? I really hope she had blinds or curtains. Was he
This
looking
later
for
came
access?
reports to the police.
Maybe,
No
yeah.
action was taken, and the stalker returned a week later. Feeling unsafe, the woman has since moved away from the area. This next video shows the terrifying moment a man broke into a family's home. The man, later identified as Jonathan Gonzalez, entered the home while a mother and her baby were asleep. The home security camera recorded him quietly moving around the bedroom before approaching the sleeping woman and behaving inappropriately.
No, that's terrifying.
Police identified Gonzalez, who was a former friend of the family, as a suspect early on, but lacked solid evidence until they conducted a search of his home. They found clothing matching what was seen in the footage and digital evidence placing him at the scene.
Why?
This case was so disturbing it garnered widespread media coverage.
Hi, excuse me.
And then a friend of the family too.
I can get you some money right now.
I'm too scared to go out there.
Okay, let's get out your phone. Download.
How many do we
In
have
this
left?
video, you can see a strange man sneaking up
I
to
wasn't
a
counting.
Good
Twin
for you.
8, right?
in Hudson, Wisconsin.
Yeah, it seems like we should already got to 8.
Shows the strange man getting extremely close to the window as he peers through the woman's blinds. This occurred on at least 3 separate nights before his arrest. The women that lived here only noticed something suspicious was happening because of the footprints the man left in the snow that led to their window.
Yeah, that makes sense. That freaked me out. Just imagine someone ringing the doorbell right now and it's just screaming. Pass out. The end of both of us.
We got food on the front porch, and I don't want to go out
Is
there
it
and get
is it there right now? Did you get a picture?
I got a picture. That made it even more creepy.
The man in the video, who was later identified as Robert Cecina, was the executive president of the 3M company at the time.
Yikes.
An executive at 3M is accused of stalking a woman and peeping in her home's windows.
This case started when the victims opened their blinds and saw footprints in the snow by the ground level.
Was she
window. Then they
like
put up a
connected
video
to
camera
that place or
and caught the
what?
man return. Hudson police responded when a neighbor saw a man outside the home who looked just like the person in the video, which was captured and circulated among neighbors the night before. Police say they traced the vehicle leaving the scene to Cessna, and in the criminal complaint, write that Robert looked exactly like the person in the surveillance camera footage, especially his hairline. Cessna denied it was him, but police say his story conflicts with his wife's story about what they did that night. According to police, several neighborhood witnesses helped them identify
Look
Cessna
how
and his vehicle.
suspicious he
Prosecutors
looks.
charged Cecina with felony stalking. 4 women, including the teenage girl, were living inside. Or rather than take the case to trial, the St. Croix County District Attorney offered a plea deal that will likely leave Cecina with a clean criminal record. The stalking charge is dropped, and instead, less serious misdemeanor
Why?
trespassing and
Why'd you
disorderly
take a
conduct
plea deal
charges
for that? Or why would you offer a plea for that?
Because he got money.
I suppose.
Cecina pleaded no contest, meaning he admits there's enough evidence to convict him, but a conviction won't go on his record unless he reoffends in the next 3 years.
Why is he stalking
His
people?
mother and 16-year-old daughter live in that home and say despite this not being a serious crime in the eyes of the law, it's had a very serious impact on
No,
them.
that's traumatizing.
You look under your
But
car,
why are
under
you
your
stalking
car, at the
people,
corners
sir?
of your house before you go in. We carry mace.
They're also upset the court process didn't reveal Cecina's motivation.
Cecina technically is not on probation. He's going to be monitored by
They
the St.
should
Croix
have
County
sued him.
District Attorney's
That's the
Office.
only way
And again, they will dismiss the charges if he goes 3 years without
to
reoffending.
get any type of justice. They
Okay,
should have
thank God
sued.
that's over.
I would have sued.
Okay, that was, yeah, okay, I gotta, what am I trying to do here?
Pause it. Stop it.
Pause it,
Silence.
make it go away. Okay, that was something, friends. Ew. Ew.
Yeah.
I
I didn't understand the last one though. Like, why? Why are you
Yeah.
stalking people?
yeah, for sure. Why? Was someone you know? Was someone?
I wonder, is he still with his wife, or was
Right.
his wife like, "What are you doing?"
Yeah, for sure.
Because he looked kind of creepy.
Yeah. Yeah. And where did she think he was when he was out doing this? Yikes.
Questions that may never be answered.
Yikes. That's all I got to say about that is
Yeah,
yikes.
yikes.
Okay, well, until next time, friends, stay safe.
Stay safe.
Get a ring cam.
Get a ring
Don't
cam.
answer the door.
Yeah.
Get
Well-
blinds on your windows.
Well, we saw one of them was their own roommate.
Yeah, don't get
That's
roommates.
scary.
Don't get
That your
roommates.
roommate
They don't even
just
know.
is like, hey, I'm sorry, I'm broke. I'm
Yeah.
just gonna rob you.
Yeah. No.
At gunpoint.
At gunpoint. In our,
And throw you in the trunk.
scary. People
Yeah.
are scary, for
Yeah,
sure.
People are scary. So, stay safe, I guess.
Yeah.
It's a crazy world. Creepy, crazy world.
Crazy. What?
I think you combine both of them together, which I almost did too. So you did it for me.
You're welcome.
Crazy. A crazy.
Goodbye, y'all.